Well, hello. Today I am just coming up with a little bit of a commentary on this Jeep Patriot. We got a little bit of an issue here. You know, it's a 2014, so it's 5 years old, but that shouldn't be peeling off. So I'm doing a little video on that today. All right, so if any of you all know, have seen my channel, then you know this is the infamous Jeep Patriot that had the bad throttle body that I had to end up replacing. So it's just, you know, the quality of Jeep is just pretty bad, honestly, in my opinion. I'm not sure if it's just this car, but it can't be. But this is something that kind of blew my mind. This thing started separating. Okay, that's just some of the plastic trim. So I went to take a look at it. I thought maybe some clips had gotten loose or something. But apparently, if you look at that red right there, that red is the double stick tape from the factory. Now apparently, when they put this on there, they didn't take the backing off. So it was never stuck on there right. So how does that get through quality control? How does that leave the factory like that? So now what I've done is I've gone and I've cleaned that with alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and I'm just going to take this backing off, and hopefully I can stick it back on. But that's pretty crazy to me that a vehicle from the factory, something like that would be missed. And obviously it's peeling because there's no glue there. So we're going to take that off and we're going to stick it back on again. And you can see it. They never took the backing off of it up until this point. Here you can see the little bit of tape, and they did it there. But up until here, it was not taken off. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to press this up and let it glue like it was supposed to from the factory. And that should solve it. So if any of you have the plastic trim coming off of your Patriot, and take a look, you might just have to peel that backing off of it. I mean, that's pretty crazy to me that happened. But it's, it'll be all right now. All right, well, that has been my quick video on the Jeep Patriot, doing some body work. But I just want to thank everybody for checking out my video. Please subscribe, like, comment if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell. All right, take care, and you have a good day.